Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and it does not first of all, it does not really matter whether you will be on the photo, video mode, portrait mode, whatever. I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. So let's start with entering the settings. They are right there, so let's tap, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults. Then tap on OK. As you can see, we just got back to the camera, and here we've got the first evidence. So our device asks us about the access to location. So also this is the first thing your device will ask you if you're opening the camera for the very first time, and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.